Hello guys, today we're playing Animal Boy Zoo. This is it. Right now I already have pets. Let's find the chicken. Try to copy that in the comments down below. Let's find the what again? The dog. Where's the dog? Right now, guys, if you want to check my mom's channel, just search her name. Here, I'll tell you it. Zandra Alice Aya. That's her name. If you want to see my what the chicken say, money. Thanks, money. Where's the dog? It's probably being in a tree. Let me walk here, walk there, look around. Doggy, where are you? Doggy, I have treats. Here we go. Bro, comment ha 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 in the comments if you think that's funny. Or comment a heart emoji if you think that's horrible. I mean, click up again. I'm not gonna say that now. Let's keep on playing, but there's us.
Ayun o, kaya pala ang dami naglalaro nito. Okay, sundin natin yung gusto niya. Magatuhod lang daw, okay? Perfect na siguro yan.
Okay, movie?
Parehas lang nung nasa tasa. Okay, ulit. Taas pa natin banda. Parehas lang naman ang artinet.
Wait. Pala?
Sabi rin, no more milk ka na.
Mom, I'm recording still. Guys, we're gonna move to another spot. I was in the kitchen the whole time. As you guys know, I already graduate. So, I don't know if I'm gonna learn in another classroom or another school. If you want to know my school's name, it's called Free School. I don't know why it starts with free. It's just just probably unlock this.
Nagbabayad ka pa rin ba ng monthly para sa AI? Gising na! Ito, super galing na Dola. Libre lang. Sa pang-araw-araw na buhay.
Mom, that's aircon. Why is it not open yet? It's so quiet. It's saying the room is saying like that. Mom, did you know I was still recording? I'm still recording, Mom. Mom, you can you can talk, but guys.
Oh, only 2 pets, and they're eating so slow. Let's open my pet collection.
Oh, guys, if you want to add me in Messenger, just search my name, Avery Aya. I'll tell you the letters for Avery. A, V, not, delete the second V, and then E, R, Y. That's my name, Avery. No. No. Let's name this. And then say. Comment if that's funny. Mom, was that funny? That was the cat.
Can I hear it?
Wait, I'm gonna find the cat. Keep playing.
You can move on your side.
Okay. Guys, comment down below if you have Play-Doh like me or have the same friends as me. Where's the cat? Patty! Here. I named it something else. What does it say? What does it say?
Saan?
That.
I don't know. DF na. DD.
This is a pig.
Nagda-diet ka. Ito yung...
Gusto mong gawing anime portrait ang iyong family photo ng libre? Buksan ang Dola. Pindutin ang i-edit ang larawan. I-upload ang picture mo kasama ang pamilya. Pumili ng anime template o mag-type ng simpleng mga tagubilin, maghintay lang ng ilang segundo. At wala! May anime style family portrait ka na! Pwedeng-pwede pang gumawa ng libre at walang limitasyon sa Dola. Kahit anong estilo ng anime, kayang-kaya. Download na at subukan mo na.
Oh, only 2 pets, and they're eating so slow. Let's open my pet collection.
Play game. And actually download this. It could expose my mom's password. So we're gonna download it tomorrow. Melon. Oh! Where's Mel? Let's play Melon Sandbox. Mom, the aircon is not that loud.
It's loud na eh.
Put it to turbo.
It's turbo already.
Ducky. It says Ducky. If you want to know how to play, just listen to me.
Sige na ba rin?
Come on, recording. See that? Then go. Click play. And then click what map do you want. I want this map. Let's zoom out. Zoom, zoom. There's the building. Wait. That's a slide! Ooh, looks like people's gonna have fun here. Not working. Where are they? Hold on, guys, we're gonna play another game, which is Roblox. Let's. You guys know I have chat because my dad logged into my account, but I can still play. Let's play this. It's called Run for Brain Rots. My back is itchy. Ouch. SpongeBob. As you guys know, I'm wearing SpongeBob to my pajamas. If you're watching this at night, when your mom says to sleep and your tablet gets locked like mine, you better sleep. I'm so fast. Toot, 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 toot. Slow mode off. Let's go to slow mode. Ah, hand is on me. I'm gonna go. Jump. Guys, if you see me in this game, I have voice chat. So when I'm not calling you, I can just use voice chat. If you have chat, you can just chat with me. And I will talk back to you. Let's go to slow mode. And then... Wala. I'm gonna play this game. Break a... Ah! Wala ba? E-collect. Game is gonna be boring.
You can play pa until it's low.
Can you chat Tita Nani not to... Not... Wait, what is that?
Malabat na yung sleep na, okay?
Okay. Mom, how to spell break? How to spell break the lucky block?
Why don't you use your mic na lang?
Break the lucky block.
Diba? That's way easy.
Mm,
Are you still recording?
yeah.
Where?
The
Uh-oh.
said oh, why did you say oh?
Actually, I'm going to watch. You can move over there.
Okay. I just hit my knee, guys. As you know, I'm so fast. I am a rich girl in this game. Just read my money. Let's go to the pickaxe. I mean, go to the upgrade shop. Grade shop. It feels like grade school. Allowed. That, not that. Grapple hook, this. And this. So. Let's go. This. Mom, I'm recording. Let's pick. Open this. Ooh, think about that. This is the leaf lucky block. How many hits does this take? Wow, this is realistic. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna... Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. This is base. And that's my base. I was collecting. I'm gonna put in my friend's name. I saved his name. His name is Dory123 Easy. That's his name. Let's actually we add him. Let's see if he accepted. He's probably somewhere here. Oh, my dad. Wait, where is he? He's not actually using his phone, so he's not online. Let's friends some people. This is his name. Send. This is him. I'm gonna chat. Wait, who's this? Let's play Brookhaven together. Join me. Did you leave the game? I was going to join you. The game didn't let me do anything. Let's play Brookhaven together. Join me. David, did you unfriend me? Guys, we actually... I'm gonna search and I'm gonna put info because one of my friends' names starts with F. There's he. I'm gonna save his name. Free. Hug.
Put together an amazing crew, made it to the Grand Line, and we're one step closer to our dreams. What's wrong? You hungry?
Pa. La. Eh. A.
You're gonna fight so many tough guys.
So e. Tree. La. Tree. La. Student. Okay.
That was absurd.
Free.
I think I saw a baby going to town.
Okay. Let's put in it.
Twins.
Same.
Here are
Uh.
drinks, straight up. We don't drink that stuff. They keep the best bottles in the lounge upstairs. Seem like a man of discerning taste. Perhaps like samples.
Do you still have chat? Do you still have chat? Do you have chat? Do you have chat? David?
Apple pie's my favorite. But Barb. Yeah.
Mon brain. Wait. You're chatting. Tap to start a new party. Bro.
Wow. There's a really nice environment.
Okay, that's watching for
Still,
owners
cows want
to
kill
join.
Thank you for not doing that.
Let's do David and him. Let's do this. Invite again. Inviting. Invited.
Well, there was this marine that we took down.
Uh, Tap.
And this fish were holding Nami's entire village hostage.
Burn at the ground. Bro. Is that guy online? Are they online? Wait.
My God, it's not just for pies. It's not somebody trust. Like you. Like it's some good person. Or that assassinate. Yeah. That's for me.
Chats. Be a lucky block. Bro, I don't want to be a lucky block. Well, hey, Mom. Let's if you don't send, friend join me. If you don't send me back a message, I will never invite you again. This is a deal. And a deal. A deal. This deal. A deal. And then let's put emojis. A mad emoji. Ay. Two mad emoji. This a deal. Make sure to join me. Before you join me, refriend me. Refriend me. Friend. Brew. Guys, let's go play now. Ooh, this game is old. Really love braids. MM2. It's called. Let's search it. MM2. That's MM2. Mom, can you scratch my back? Murderer Mystery 2. Mom, my back is itchy. My back is itchy. Start scratching. Let's play another game. Let's play the first game that we played. Wait, where is it? Oh yeah. Oh, my book is a cheese. Peppa Pig. That's Peppa Pig. What's my name? A monkey! Guys, the skin is actually bored. Guys, this is the end of the video. And I'm average and I quit.